Y'all like my sweater? It's giving winter. It's giving winter wonderland. It's giving cozy. Hello and welcome back to the channel. It is me, BubsEyes, aka Shanika Lachey. I'm gonna let y'all vote. Should we keep this channel BubsEyes and make Shanika Lachey separate? Or should we like morph this page into Shanika Lachey? I don't know. I'll let y'all vote. But we're not here for that. We are here today because we are here for Kiss products. And the last time I saw y'all, we had this box right here. But since then, besides this little black box, I ended up getting the Halloween box. And I'm so sorry that I did not give y'all a Halloween video. Besides that one, October was rough, okay? But this is a new month, all right? But this box was cool. I'm going to still show y'all the stuff that's still in there. I did use stuff that came in my box. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw me in my Instagram story with the lashes on. I'm currently wearing a lash now, being the Kiss Lash Drip. And I want to say they still have a 30% off sale going on their website. So y'all should go on there. I will have the website link down below in the description. I want to say I have the website also on my Instagram. If not, that's okay. You can always, like I said, click the link in that bio to get to this video, which still going to have the website in the description. And then I had also received this box today. And I didn't pop the seal on this one. I left this one closed strictly for us to open together. I ain't gonna leave y'all hanging. So, oh yeah, and then another place, I forgot, another place y'all can go pick up this lash right here too. You can walk into your local Ulta Beauty and pick these up, because if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I am also a beauty advisor. Hold on. I gotta put some respect on my name. I'm a prestige beauty advisor, okay? For Ulta Beauty. And you can step in there and see somebody like me and pick these up. Eventually, I'm gonna have a discount code for y'all where y'all can get 10% off, but bear with me, but trust me, that's coming too. So before we open up our big box, we're gonna just go in order of the boxes and how they came in order when I last saw y'all. So we already know what's in that first PR box, being that smaller red one. And after that, I ended up receiving this box. I want to say it probably was about 3 weeks or so later I received this box. And in here is their masterpiece line. And this is their, think of your mink lash. This is that type of lash, so it's a more luxurious lash. I love them. And per usual, we get a really nice welcome card. But this box was presented differently. Like I said, it's supposed to be a little bit more luxurious. So you get this really cute bronze MP sticker for Masterpiece. Different writing fonts in cursive. You know, it's a real sexy box. And then this is the boxes. I ended up getting 2 new glues. And I got these other 2 pairs of lashes. See? So I'm saving those for a night out. Okay, that's a nighttime lash. I don't see me wearing that to work every day. I forgot how I had this in here. Oh, look at me. But yeah, that was that box. I was really happy to get this box. So, as y'all know, I like lashes. So then after this came, it was Halloween. I received my box literally on Halloween day. I was hoping to receive it before then so I could have had a little bit more Halloween content to present to you. But like I said, October was rough anyway. I probably wasn't going to even be able to do it. I could have did it if I really wanted to do it though. But this was the Halloween box. And it had this on it. Now what I did give you was a reel. And shout out to that. I got over 5,000 views on that.
Bad bitch when I'm up in the function. Johnny Dang on a chain, it's custom. Walk through when I'm looking like a hottie little baby woman. Menage with the body, it's busting. This dress look good cause I'm in it. Big body Range Rover, not rented. I'm in my bag, I'm in my trophy.
So it did pretty good. And again, our cute welcome flyer. And I love this box to where I wish I had more stuff to present to y'all in this box. But I used it. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, in the masterpiece box, I did receive a kiss mirror. It's tossed in this one because I've been using it. But this came in the masterpiece box as well. So, I'm trying to open it. Hold on. Dog, what the hell? There we go. See? So that's that. I'm gonna put that back in the correct box, matter of fact. But yeah, so anyways, I wish, like I said, I had more stuff to present to y'all, but I ended up getting these in that box. And I have received these. This was a part of their Halloween launch. It was another one I received, but I worn it a lot, so I don't have it anymore. The nails were amazing in this box. As you see, empty boxes. I used those up. The only two nails I have left in this box are these two. This green pair that I plan to wear tomorrow for Thanksgiving. And then these black and silver metallic ones that I'm thinking to save, honestly, probably till New Year's Eve. I don't know. I like that color. I think I want to do black and silver for New Year's Eve this year. That's the vibe I'm getting. Oh yeah, and then I received another lash glue liner. And I also received it in the shade brown, and that's in my other makeup kit because I literally wear it almost every day. Only not today because, like I said, it's brown. Look at my look. I'm giving winter. This is giving fall. Let's pack this on up. Now it's time for the grand finale.
Oh, kiss love me.
The big box that we got today. I wonder what's in it. M&M break. Oh man, I'm gonna need a scissor. No scissor, but I got a knife.
Don't fuck with me, fellas! This ain't my first time at the rodeo.
So let's pop it open. I wonder if this is the Christmas box. Listen, I've been seeing the Christmas nails at work. I want them so bad. The set with the reindeer. Woo! All right. Let's see. Let's see. It's the Christmas box.
It's time.
Happy holidays. Oh, it's the Christmas box. Oh, shit. Let's open it up.
Hard eyes, motherfucker.
Dramatic. What? I've been seeing these on Instagram for the past 3 weeks, wondering like, oh, I hope I get her lunch. She has another lunch at my job. I can't remember at the top of my head what it is. Oh, what is it? It's not with kids though. Morphe brushes. She got a collection with them. And when I saw that she had these, I was like, I gotta get both. Like when Jacqueline Hill came out with her Morphe stuff, and now I just literally just found out she got her own personal line. Like, where have I been at? Enough of that. But look. It's more. I got all of them. Oh, thank you, kiss. Look at that. Y'all, this just her stuff. It's more in this box. So we got another lash glue. We got, ooh, what's this? Oh, this is new. This is fancy. Make false lashes like new. Eye makeup remover and lash cleaner. Lash cleaner. And I just told y'all I threw my lashes away. Lash cleaner. Oh, hell yeah. I'm finna use that. We got us some more eco-friendly vegan mink lashes. Oh, vegan mink lashes. And they cute. Look at them. 3D. Fluffy 3D look. Ooh, I'm gonna be on fleek on Christmas. Under the Christmas tree. Take or kiss me under the mistletoe that day. Oh, what else I can use? Oh, look, y'all, another pair. I'm going to pronounce her name wrong. I know y'all wondering why I ain't said her name, because y'all not going to embarrass me. Her joke's on y'all. Y'all can read it. Then I got some more Naked Drama. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, this is a 4-pack. I know that's right. Look. Ooh, I like these. Then I got... Ooh, individuals. I don't know how to use this. This is a whole kit. You think I ain't gonna learn? They gave me a lash extension kit. Thanks. What? Yes, flaunt that on my green eye, honey. Okay. What? They 12 mm, 14 mm, 16 mm, and pointy. And then I got classic 12 mm and classic 14 mm. And then it shows you a lash map, how to make the cat eye, spiky eye, and a natural eye. And y'all already know what eye I'm going to do. Come on, cat eye. Ooh, what we got next? Ooh, we got some more push-up collection lashes in the style baby doll. I like these. I love this. What else? Another glue. And we got some more lashes. These are a little bit fuller. I like these. I want to try them. They like lash extension style strips. They're cute. They look a little big for a girl like me, but then these were kind of big at first, and then I put them on. I loved them. I'm going to also have the style of the lash that I'm wearing too, linked below. And now in the box, oh, we got nails. Oh, yes! Oh, the nails I wanted. Oh my God. Wait, I got to move this out the way. Hold up. I was just at work telling my coworkers about these. Like, what? Y'all don't see the reindeer that's on them? Hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Wait. Oh, all of these are cute. Look at the reindeer. I wanted these. Thanks. And then the peppermint set. Like, I literally was just in the car talking to Tay about these. Like, because Tay mom called earlier and said my box was at the house. And I was like, oh, I hope the winter set is in there. And then I got this snowflakes. Oh, man, yes. And then we got 2 more boxes of nails. And they are, a set from the Masterpiece collection. Oh, another thing, the Masterpiece collection at work, I have them at work. Like, I see them every day. These are the ones for the girls that's looking for those gem sets. Get the Masterpiece. Not saying that it's on, I think the other ones do too, but not all of them. But if you're looking for that really sparkly gem, it's the Masterpiece ones. They are amazing. And then we got these majestic nails. See what I mean? Another gem. So which one's more? A little bit. I want to say these maybe. A little bit more on the glam side, but they both have this. I don't know. It's tough. I'll let y'all pick. Comment that too down below while you at it. So yeah, that was the Christmas box. So we had knocked out the Masterpiece launch. Amazing launch. I love the style of those lashes. We knocked out the Halloween collection. We're a little late, but so what? You saw it. And the Halloween collection actually also serves as a Thanksgiving collection because I told you that green pair that's in there, I'm putting those on at the dinner table with my green dress, with my green anklet boots. Okay? Yes. I'm going to be fly. And don't judge my pajama pants. I'm fresh off work. I'm finna. Man, listen. I put this sweater back on just off the strand. I was like, you know what? Don't be lazy. Give him the video, Bubs. Because I'm about to get into the skincare. I might give y'all a skincare video, too. Especially since we got this new eye makeup remover. So, we might go dig around in the makeup. I said the makeup in the skincare bag. But anyways, it was a pleasure to join y'all tonight. I'm so sorry I've been behind on the videos. I just started my new gig. I'm not at the Macy's. I'm now at the Altar Beauty. I'm figuring this is where I'm going to be. This is where I'm going to stay. I'm enjoying it so far. It's been, what, going on 3.5 weeks, maybe 3 weeks since I started. Y'all know. It's been cool, though. But, yeah, I'm finna get comfy. Y'all stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. If you ain't new, share the video. Hit like. Leave a comment. And I'll see y'all next time.